Wix blog website tutorial, creating blog on Wix. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily create our own blog website using Wix website builder. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps. I do not make any mistakes. So here we are on our dashboard, and as you can see we can manage all the websites from here. So let's click on create new site in the right top corner to start creating. Basically we can choose the category we are going to create, so let it be blog in our case, and let's click on next. Or we can choose the additional category here. I'm going to click on next. So now we need to call our website, let it be like blog 1. Next, it doesn't matter, it's only for Wix library here. So here we can choose some like parts of our website. We can easily add them a little bit later, so let's click on skip and we'll come to our page where we can go to dashboard, but I suggest you to click on begin with a template because we can find a suitable template as for us. And here we are on our templates area. So as you can see, we are on blog category. Here we can switch between personal blog, food and travel, news and business, arts, fashion and beauty, sports and wellness, and of course like podcast. So I'm going to create a personal blog today, so let it be like this. And as you can see, there are a lot of different templates we can easily use, at least like 2 pages here, so we can find something suitable as for us, or we can find the like templates from the other category and then just customize everything we need. So I'm going to use this one here. I think it's pretty cool. So we can view it, how does it look like on the desktop, and moreover we can even switch to desktop to mobile version to view how does it look like on mobile. And as you can see, every single website here is like responsive for different devices. I think it's pretty cool. So let's click on edit this site to create this template as the website for us. It may take little time, it depends on the server's capacity and our internet connection. So all we need to do now is just to wait for a little. So it may take maybe 10 seconds. And here we are on our editor page. So let's have a quick tour. In the left side there is like option to deal with elements. We can add text, image, button, strip, decorative, and so on. Huge amount of elements as you can see, and all of them are customizable, so we can choose, then just change properties, and it's pretty cool. We can also add different sections to our website, like welcome section, about, team, contact, promotions, vices, and so on. Huge amount of different sections we have. Also we can manage pages and menu, we can change the order, we can change the position, we can rename them, and so on from this page here. As for me, it's also pretty cool. So let's go back to home page. Basically also we can change the site design. We can click on customize, and from this page here we can change the color palette and the font pack we are going to use. I think it's pretty cool also, so I'm going to use this one here, and I honestly suggest you to use this feature because if you selected the template, it will be easier for you to start editing, to change the whole theme, and I think it's pretty cool that we have this opportunity here. Also we have like add apps option and my business, where we can find also media, the library we are using these different like photos, videos, and so on, and also the content manager, where we can add the content manager, easily manage your site connection content. So basically our website looks like this now. We can add different posts, we can click on manage posts, and simply we can click on manage posts once more, and we'll come to the page. From this page we can easily add posts, we can manage an existing post, and I think it's pretty cool. So as you can see, it looks like this, blog and overview. So we can create new posts, so we can easily just add a title, add like text here, add different photos, add like videos, and so on. And after that, just simply click on publish, and our post will be added to the blog page. And I think it's pretty cool. So basically this is a way of how can we interact with the posts on our blog. To customize something, for example this picture here, we can just simply click on change strip background, and after that we can just simply change the wall background on our page. Basically this is the way of how can we interact. So sometimes it could be really helpful to change something, to add something new, and in this case we can interact with every single element with this text here. For example, we can click on edit text, and we can change the font size, all the properties here, and every single element has its own properties. For example, this button, if you click on change text, we can change the text, we can change where does it link to, we can change it may lead to web address, to section or anchor, to page, and so on. So it's pretty cool. And in order to publish our website, we just simply need to click on publish. We need to click on save, so we need to save our website, and now we can even view it. So if you're going to click on view, we can easily find it. We can find the address right up here. We can share it with other friends, with other customers, and so on. So if you click on done, now we can go to dashboard. In the left top corner, just simply click on Wix logo, and we'll come to our dashboard to manage the website. We can find marketing and SEO option, marketing home, SEO, email marketing, and some other stuff. This is pretty useful if you're going to optimize your website as for the search engine and so on. And also we have like analytics and reports area where we can find all the statistics, find the traffic overview, sales overview, marketing overview, and so on. It's also pretty helpful to analyze our users. And of course, if we'll try to discover the paid plans of Wix, we can find there is a lot of different options. Of course, they provide us the opportunity to use it for free, but also we have connect the main option, combo plan, unlimited, and VIP as for website. So we can find a lot of differences here. The most popular is unlimited, and we have 50% off. So basically it's only 850 euros per month instead of 17. So we can try to use it for free, and after that we can easily decide is it necessary as for us to buy the paid plan. But basically, yeah, this is the way of how can we create personal blog or even blogs on Wix. I hope guys this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.